Hey, what's up guys, iSaurabh here. In this video, I am going to show you how to apply dark mode in WhatsApp on your iPhone. First, open Settings, go to General, click on Software Update. Check whether your iPhone software is up to date or not. If not, update it. Your iPhone must be running on iOS 13 or later. Now open App Store, search for WhatsApp. Update your WhatsApp if you haven't already updated. This app must be up to date to its latest version. Now open WhatsApp. You can see that my WhatsApp is running in its regular mode. Swipe to open Control Center. Long press on brightness icon. Click on dark mode icon. That's all. Now the dark mode is applied in WhatsApp as well as whole iPhone display. WhatsApp status, calls, chat, settings, everywhere is dark. You will also get dark keyboard. If you want to turn off dark mode, again open Control Center, long press on brightness icon, click on dark mode icon. Now you can use WhatsApp in its regular mode. That's all. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.